Mexico. Mexican people import to and they'll sell them on the side of the road. They sell them for $10.
Yep. Just what? Crazy.
I go to the market and just buy the 4 box. The box with 6. No sugar in it. And it's just a little bit of carbohydrates. It's perfect.
But it's already cooked, right?
It's in a box.
It's
I like the ones in the box. I don't like the can. I like the box. Because plastic. I like the real thing, but you can't always get the real thing where I'm at sometimes. You gotta pay for it.
Yep.
And I'm still drinking.
So in every way, Nairobi and Kenya is better in every way.
Only the traffic is the only thing, but you just gotta learn how to move.
Yeah.
And once you learn how to move, everything else falls in place. Because no one's on time in Kenya.
Yeah.
Everybody's late. Even Miss Polo. She is late.
He has a YouTube channel. I want to maybe share my YouTube followers with you and stuff. So, my brother here is from the States, and he was watching Jam Tours and inspired after I hear my Ghana story. So, I just want, because for me, the more you tell your story, because our people we like to show and tell.
Right.
So, it's only when I am here doing it and telling them they want to believe. So, you know how to tell your story, know that, hey, you come from the States, you come to Kenya, you make a small investment, and actually working on your future.
Right.
Because now you know that when everything the chaos starts happening in the West, you're safe. You can just jump out, come to Kenya.
It's gonna start.
Yeah, it's gonna start. Yeah.
It's gonna start.
So, did you always want to come to Africa? Like,
yes.
What was? Okay.
Well, because us being Black Americans, we don't know where we're from.
Yeah.
We don't know nothing about a village. We don't know nothing about heritage over here. We know nothing.
Yeah.
So they tried to sell us on that 23andMe and all that stuff. I never believed that because how can you place every Black American back home?
Yeah.
How can you do it?
Yeah.
So I never did that stuff. I just thought they wanted our DNA.
Yeah.
That's all I thought.
That DNA test. I feel like, because no, I'm telling you, that's what they've been doing. They've been trying to actually dumb down the African DNA so much.
Yes.
And you have to be careful of the food that you eat and the thing that you're taking from them in your body.
Yeah.
Because they're trying to actually, lower your frequency and locally lower your kids' them IQ with all of these madness.
And the respiratory problem in the United States, they don't talk about it.
Wow. So in any time somebody can put something at the ear, and that alone affect you. The plane do it. So just imagine, all of these things.
The chemtrails.
You have to get out as soon as possible. If you can afford it, you can, have the resources to do it. And you've been getting the calling to come back to Africa. Just do it.
I just did it.
And that's the thing now, when you share these videos with people, they can be inspired and know, say, hey, my brother from the States just jump out of Babylon. Yeah.
No thought, no nothing.
Yeah.
Just
so you always want to come to Africa from when?
I say early age, but knowing that I had the grind in the States, had kids, grind.
Yeah.
And then finally got to a point where I'm in America and I'm building the stuff over there. So it's like my partner's building a 30 apartment complex over here for under $500,000.
Wow.
I'm building a 30 in Florida, $7.3 million.
Yeah. Wow.
Money difference coming back, but still, I can build 10 of those.
Yeah.
And have almost 100 units.
Yeah.
So that's my big thing, is to come and do low income housing.
Wow.
Home.
Yeah, man, that's a very good thing.
So I want to get my arrangements good to live, so when I come in, I can have somewhere to stay, and then they'll rent that while I'm not here, and then start getting to the land, buying the land, or co-op with someone and build something.
Yeah.
And I want to build for single moms and stuff.
Wow,
like
man,
that.
that's amazing, man. That's amazing, because now
I do it home.
We really want to actually.
I do that at home. All my tenants, they're low income moms.
Yeah. That's a very good thing.
So I'm not reinventing the wheel.
You're not reinventing the wheel, just bringing it here.
Just coming here, learning the economics, learning how to make the wheel turn over here. Keep generating over there, because it'll pay once you get tired of that, put that in the trust or something and let it sit and it just send you your money.
Yeah, man. That's the master plan.
And let the kids take it from there.
Yeah, so I like to see people like you come to Africa with a plan. I don't like to see people come around and wasting time because we all need to come back to work. Because what we have is the awareness. So we pass on that awareness with the smartness. So Kenyans are very smart.
Right.
And we come with the awareness, put that together. You know what I mean?
You can do something.
We can do something.
Yeah, because I was here in the gyms. So expensive. So I was telling my partner, told him I was on safari. That's what I says. The next building we do, we need to put a gym under the bottom, put a retail gym for the bouncers and guys. They'll come because they don't want to pay $80.
Yeah, so it's cheap. There's a big, and that's the thing, though. And that's the thing. I think Kenyans are very healthy. You don't see no fat people. Kenyans not fat. You don't see no fat people. The food, and you know what I mean. They're very healthy.
They're getting up. They're hustling. They're doing their thing. The mind is always.
Yeah. So my brother here finally made it to Kenya, and so my time when you get to do your dream, when your dream not come true early, it come true when you have the resources and the the time to do it. So I think maybe this is the time for you to to lay your legacy, for everlasting. Yeah, so your kids that want to come to Africa, they know that you're here. What's the reaction from your family member?
They hate when I leave them.
So when you come to so now they know you're in Kenya. What the thoughts like? Have you?
They're looking it up. They're
researching. They're researching.
They're looking it up, and they love to eat, so they look up restaurants and stuff like that. So
man, and I think the malls in here have so much things for them. The malls in here are very top notch. They have all of these games that they play and whatever it is they do.
That's their gamers. All teenagers.
Yeah. So just they will love it.
Yeah. So and they're not like ripping and running kids. They kind of got something because I've been pushing in their head forever.
Yeah.
You got to take over the business. You got to
take over the business.
Go to school, but you still got to take over the business.
And that's the thing.
You may hate the business, but it's gonna pay you.
It's gonna pay you. But think about it. What most of them do. What most of them do, they will actually don't go into the family business and go get a high education, and now when they come back broke and the business no job. And if they just take up the business, that wouldn't happen to them.
No job.
Yeah, so I think as a kid or if you're young and your family have a business and tell you to take it and go run it, because they've been running it for years and they never have no problem. So why would you want to continue on that legacy? Why would you want to actually just go look for a job or get some profession or some madness?
Yeah, because
continue.
Because the
mentality, yeah. Yeah.
So I told my son, if you still want to be a kid, you better go to school. Because when you graduate, he graduated 11th grade year.
Yep.
So this year he plays football, so he's just going to be taking college courses.
Yep.
So I told him, listen, take them college courses, but if you still want to be a kid, go to college. Can't stay home and be a kid.
Yeah.
My mom didn't allow it. I'm a single mom. I'm an only child, so I didn't have nobody to lie on.
Crying.
You did it.
He did.
Oh, you did it.
And that's the reason now you have to give them some tough love, because now, them have both stable parents that we never have. So they kind of take it for granted, and some of the time they really not understand. Yeah. See, you have to actually, give them tough love.
Right.
Because their things come easy. So the tough love will balance it out. Yeah.
And kids don't read that much.
Yeah. So what's your experience like in Kenya now? You're here for a few days. What it's like?
Everything's been nice. The people are nice. I had a city tour. Learned a lot of the things in the city. The older buildings, the old library. Went in the library, looked at some books, some stuff like that, and just having a free mind.
Free mind,
Free mind to the city, not judging. I didn't get to one of my tours yesterday because it rained the night I met you guys.
Yep.
And I was supposed to go to the slums, but they canceled the tour because of the rain. So I was going to go there just to see.
Nice.
Other than that, got more business tomorrow, lawyers. meet them for the first time. Everything's been on the phone.
Yeah,
Meet
yeah,
them
yeah.
for the first time. Let them kind of know which projects we're looking at. Then get home, make a decision. I'll make my decision already made.
Yeah.
It's already made. It's already made. Just how we want to do it now.
Yeah.
So that's where I'm at.
Perfect, man. How you feel physically, like, how you feel spiritually?
Feels
Spiritually,
good,
feel
man.
good. You feel any difference?
I love being around my people.
Yeah.
Man.
You notice when you're in Nairobi walking and you see much Muzungu. It's just a nice feeling.
Very much.
Very
nice
nice.
feeling, yeah.
And I say Kenya is the blackest African country. You're the majority.
Over
Yeah.
there, you're like,
Yeah, family. So in Kenya, in Africa, you're celebrated and not tolerated. So, yeah.
it's just the people. I mean, that's what makes it, you know. And it's just like any place. You got your good and your bad.
Yeah, you good and bad. Yeah.
Stay in the middle.
Stay in the middle, yeah.
No judging. Just stay in the middle.
Just bless.
So, all right, my brother, man. Respect, manners, and, you know what I mean, much blessings and success in Kenya here in your business and endeavors, you know? Yeah.
So,
And, you know, it was a pleasure to have you and see you coming and checking it out.
if it was another place,
Yeah.
I'd tell them to hold on. I'm going to Jam Tours.
Yeah. So tell them about the food now, because you didn't mention nothing about the food. How was the food?
Oxtails, fall off the bone.
Oh, yeah.
Rice. Rice is fire.
Yeah.
Avocado,
Yeah.
fresh. You don't need any seasoning.
Yeah.
I didn't taste the slaw, and I'm gonna try plantain now because I eat it so much home.
Have you tried that one, the mash one?
Yeah.
Organic plantain. Organic what?
For the body, organic body.
Yeah, family. So here.
Everything is authentic, man.
Yeah.
She made the slaw. Yeah, Jam Tours 10 out of 10.
All right, man. Respect and thanks. You don't know the thing, go.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Yeah, family. So that's the end of that video. My brother, we forward from, you know what I mean, the States. Come check out the Sunday brunch we have here at Vegan Jamaican restaurant right here in Lavington. So when you come, family, come check it out. And you know what I mean? Come nice with the taste bud on a Sunday. You know what I mean? Come nice with the taste bud on a Sunday. Yeah. So let's go, family.
Cooking skills are on.
Your video.
Yeah.
Make sure we link up, right?
So you say you like the soup. The soup is
Yes.
soup.
Soup is 10 out of 10.
Nice. I know
Not
you
too
guys.
spicy. Just right.
Just right.
Just right.
And as you know, it's a health and wellness restaurant too. So we put more into what we put in your food.
Yes.
You know, and that's the vegan side. So it's healthy vegan healthy Jamaican food.
That's right. I'm eating it right now. Can I get that coconut water and salt?
Coconut water.
Jamaican restaurant, vegan authentic food, right here in Nairobi way. Greetings. Good. All right, Skipper, this one is for you. I found the restaurant that is run by Brethren that you referred me to. I'm just enjoying my nice hot bowl of soup, which is just like Mama used to make. And here is the Brethren, loud and clear.
Big up. Yeah.
So, thank you for the suggestion. The evidence, the proof of the pudding, they say, is in the eating. See me at the soup bowl, even though it's Sunday today. Empty. Delicious. Thank you so much, Lillian. And the proprietor of this place, yes, see him stand up right next to Bob Marley there.
Yeah. Jam Tours. So when you come in Kenya, you want to move around and know about Nairobi, jamtoursafrica.com.
Excellent thing. And on top of it, brother, turn up the food thing, the Jamaican food thing. So if you look in the distance, it's a little jerk pan right out here on the roadside.
Yeah.
Jerk, chicken and jerk right out here, Jamaica style.
Yeah.
So peeps, anywhere you reach, and what's the name of the street here?
Kingara Road.
Kingara Road, Nairobi, Kenya. Drop in and heal up the brother. Yeah man, Jamaica turn up the thing right here, so bless off.
Yeah, man.
Let me just
can't forget my Jamaican food. So if I never eat none again, I must remember the taste of my Jamaican.